Stick around and I'll show you how to make this crispy fries. All you need to do is julienne your fries and let it soak in the water to get rid of the starch, and it snaps like that. So next, all you have to do is warm up your deep fryer to 275 Fahrenheit. While that's warming up, we're going to take our soaked fries, lay it down flat on a towel, and get rid of all the moisture. Now, this is important. To make it crispy, we're only going to deep fry it for a little bit until it's cooked partially, 3 to 5 minutes. When it comes out, it's gonna look a little soggy like this. When you break that in half, it's not going to be crunchy. It's going to be little half cooked. Kind of looks like a mashed boiled potato. So all you're gonna do is put it in the fridge for 20 minutes, and after that, when it cools down, you're going to re-fry it. This is called double frying. Once you do that for another 5 to 7 minutes, look how crispy it looks. It's going to be amazingly crispy. Very, very crispy. You can hear the sound right there. And the taste is phenomenal. Now, you can do that with sweet potato. That's the bonus tip. Don't forget to double fry it for that extra crispy flavor. Bye.